Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well today. September 20th, 2024. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are doing well. This will be our chart lesson for today of the ES futures on the 2000 tick chart. There's a few trades in here today. Again, overall this week was pretty hard to read. Charts weren't super coherently easy. But nonetheless, there's a couple trades in here for today. A little bit better than some of the other days we've had, but anyways, I digress. Anyways, let's get into it. Started off with the market on the pre-market here, holding below the 21 EMA as it makes its way higher. You get this quadruple test with a lower high sell-off, comes back down to the swing lows here. Let me zoom in here. Market opens and immediately recover, get past this previous swing high, which was interesting to see, and fails, and then we start this downward khaki channel. There is a nice first entry, second entry long failure right here. We've seen a lot of these this week, which is pretty interesting. So first entry pulls back, second entry long failure, go with that to the downside here. Pretty good textbook trade right there. As the market makes its way back down, get past this previous swing low for a second, and you get this nice signal bar, but it never triggers. Goes down again. Kind of see this as a triple test here, but I'm still counting and only looking for second entries, especially in a downtrend like this. So you get a first entry, second entry short, and then you need a lower high. Not the best signal bar, but context-wise, I think you could take that. Going along here with a move down, break, another leg down. You can clearly see. Get to the lows here around 57.46, and then we have a nice little two-legged correction to the upside there. Gets above the EMA, then goes below it. I don't see anything in here. I think it filling this fair value gap real quick, comes back, get a nice double top, and then again, repeat pattern. First entry, second entry long failure, just like we had right here. And I'm sorry, I'm trying to make that one a black arrow for an aggressive trade. So failed second entry long there. And then we start in this next downward khaki channel. Going along here, you do have another first entry, second entry long failure. I think this one's too sideways. You can clearly see this little small trend, first entry, second entry long failure, looking for at least a swing low. And that's just make sure your price action's clear, make sure your entries are good. You can enter with a few ticks back for the limit order, leave your stop one tick above. This thing blasts down, sells off. Nice little bear flag correction here. And then makes its way all the way down to the 57.34 area. Pauses, corrects, huge, nice little run up right here. Move up. You do get a first entry, pull back, second entry long. No valid setup here, just counting, making sure your count is correct, seeing if you're getting another leg. Gets rejected, double top happens, and then sells off here, and then you get a nice outside bar. Trapping all the short traders, and then reverses higher for that second leg. So always look for that break a new high, and you know you don't have it once it goes again below the swing low there. But once you see price holding above EMA, you know you're probably at least going to get another leg up. And then that happens, and then price holds pretty well here, and it continues into a bigger channel, and you get a nice first entry, pulls back, outside bar, second entry long, and you also get a higher low here. Not the best signal bar, but luckily enough, you have a good signal bar and set up for the second entry long for another leg. Market makes its way higher here. You get another break, and then you get a really clean A, B, C, first entry, second entry long. And then once you see this, you know that they're basically getting in, averaging the positions, looking for it to go higher. Comes back down, gets a swing low here. Second entry long again, right at that support level, and with this major first break. And then as the market makes its way higher here, again, holding above the EMA, just take those second entries. We get all the way back up, and another ABC, first entry, second entry long, right back at that previous support. Again, you can see how the market always rhymes. Nothing's perfect, but it rhymes. That's what you're looking for, to capitalize on that. Gets a little bit of a failure of a breakout here with this small double top. Huge leg to a sell-off, break, new low, and then for the remaining of the day, there's a few more in here, with it being a run-up, break, first entry, pull back, second entry long, break, new low, textbook setup right here. And usually when you get the last 45, 30 minutes of the day, they like to rally it. So just always be cautious for that. And so nice second entry long, runs up, looking for that second leg, measured move here as well. Comes all the way up to the top of this. Let's make this this navy blue channel here, make it a little easier to see. And then you get another first entry, pulls back, second entry long. Not the best signal bar, but I think context-wise it's still quite good. You're back at the key entry points and have room to the swing high here. And this thing blasts off, comes all the way back to test the top of the trading range. And then you get a nice textbook lower high. It is at the end of the day, so be cautious with those. But really nice move down, lower high, sell off. And that's pretty much how we ended for the rest of the day, coming back down to where we first broke out. But that's pretty much how I saw it for the Friday. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this chart review. And as always, keep practicing. Take the trades as you see them. Review them. Making sure you're reading context, then the pattern, as I always say. And as always, see you guys next week. Have a good weekend.